snowflakes falling, twinkling bright. Hearts are glowing in the night. JIJJY brings you laughs and cheers, Christmas magic all the while. Ring the bells, let's trill together, warm and bright in frosty weather. Love and cheer for miles and miles. Merry Christmas, full of smiles. Merry Christmas from JIJJY'S
Hi lovelies, as you know we finished the Christmas tree and we ordered some stuff so we can finish the whole decoration. So this is what's coming. Let's open and find out. That's just a cheeky image for one of the doors that's not fixed, just to make the Christmas theme exciting even though the door is not really finished. Got the icicle lights which are here now, and I'm not so sure how I'm going to put it in on my window because I have no gutters where the exact window is, because it's a bay window. So I'm not so sure how it's going to stick, but we're going to find. So as you can see, the door wreath is here. It looks quite nice actually from here. So that's the last one, I think. Maybe not. Yep, so this big box. So look at the calendar here. There's two of them. Let's find out how thick they are. Yeah, so they're just similar to the ones in the shops we've seen. Yeah, so that's how it is. And then we'll have to open it like that. So let's open the wreath. So there you go. That's not too bad. And before I forget, we've got that, which is really handy. You don't have to drill holes on your door. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. It looks like we need to like open it and fluff it up a bit. Hi, so I found some of these cones that I used to collect. I've been collecting them over time in different places that I live, and I just realized I've got quite a few of them. It really vamps up the wreath. I still wish the wreath was bigger, but it's okay. But I can see the cones are giving it a little bit of a character. I'm using a garden wire, I think it's called. Yeah, it's very versatile. You can do so many things with it. So I'm just gonna put them here. Yeah, so I've put the other one there, as you can see. So we've got 3 now. So I'm just going to put everything together and see how it comes out, because I don't have much of the gold left. All of it is on the tree already. I've decided to add these gold flowers on there just to zhuzh it up. To be honest, it's quite a nightmare to put that on. I do not know why he does that, but yeah, it's like very hard to make it stick down. And also I feel like it's not clear, isn't it? As you can see from there, it's not exactly clear. So this is how it's supposed to look like. And it's actually meant to be really pretty if it did look clear and everything. It's supposed to be very beautiful pattern, to be honest. So hi lovelies, so now we are going to try and undo this wreath. Hello my lovelies, so I had to switch off and tackle that garland. I just discovered I had this decoration which looked green, looked like yeah, I'm going to start decorating. So if you did watch my previous vlog on shopping, Christmas ornament shopping, you will notice that I did get some of these. to just add to it and just be I don't know how it's going to come out again, just like the tree. It's just a tryout, just trials and just seeing how it turns out, to be honest. Hi lovelies, so we are back again, and as you can see I've already unraveled the second garland. It's going to decorate the stairs, and we're going to put some other decorations on top of the garland. Hi lovelies, so today we are going to do the stairs garland. I just started off already because I was really like struggling to find out, or to actually find my tools, to be honest, because as if you've watched my previous videos, you know I've just moved here and all my things are in boxes. It took me forever to find my drill bits. When I found them, I realized I don't have all of them. A box is missing, God knows where it is. So I needed to put a screw there. So I just had to do something temporary. Hopefully it doesn't fall. We're going to bring it all the way down like this, and then it will fall there. I'm going to hold it here as well, and then it falls down like that, and then we put all the decorations. Hi lovelies, so I'm now putting on the lights, and then after that we're going to put the bulbs and all the decorations. So I'm going to start on the bulbs now. As you can see, I've started at the top there. So I'm going to mix here gold and red. Hi lovelies, so we're going to start putting up the icicle lights. I've never done this before, so we're just going to blag it. We're going to put, I think, stick one from that side going all the way to that side. We're going to put 2 lights, different colors, just for, you know, just for fun and make it look pretty. Hopefully it looks nice. Done all the nails up there.
Snowflakes falling, twinkling bright. Hearts are